Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can prevent your system going on the sleep mode for every, let's say, 10-15 minutes. So today I'm going to show you this option in the Windows 10. So let's get started. So what you do is, this is the Windows 10 machine. In the search bar, just type this power. So you can see edit power plan and choose power plan in the setting plan. Just click on the edit power plan, and this one you can see here, you have an option. This is the default power plan. So what you do is just click on never, turn off display never, and put the computer sleep in this never. So what it does, it's not going to put your system in the sleep mode. Otherwise what is happen is, whenever you're away from your system, this disable this power save the system automatically go on the sleep mode. So remember that we have done in the balanced mode recommend. This is the recommended mode, and we did change in this one. So we want to verify this. Click on the edit, change the plan setting, and you can see here this is with the, we have selected the never option here. So that's it for today guys. See you in the next video.